Hello students, I am Priti Singh. Today I am going to give you exercises of lesson 1 from the new book. First, you have to do fill in the blanks. Let's see. History is the study of the past. In the given space will be past. Second one, the ancient capital of the Pandavas was located in Indraprasth. Earlier, New Delhi was known as Indraprasth. Third one, history makes the past come dash for us, alive for us. Fourth one, history helps us to understand our world. Okay. Fifth one, we are living in the blank century. Which century we are living in? 21st century. Now do exercise number B. Write T for true and F for false. First statement here given. History is the study of the present. It will be false because history is the study of the past. Next one, history is divided into 4 periods. It will also be false. In your book it is given history is divided into 3 periods. Ancient, medieval and modern. 3. People who study old buildings, objects and coins are called historians. It will be false because those who study old buildings, objects, coins, they are known as archaeologists. Fourth one, history helps us to learn from the mistakes of our past. It will be true. Fifth one, in the past, Delhi was known as Indraprasth. It will be true. In the fill in blanks, all have told you that earlier name of Delhi was Indraprasth. Exercise number C, match the following. First one, Herodotus. And the correct option will be father of history. Next one, history, study of the past. Third one, historian. You have to match historians with people who study history. Fourth one, archaeologist will be matched with people who study old objects. Fifth one, Delhi, Indraprasth, as in the earlier 2 questions you have known about Indraprasth. Now these exercises, fill in the blanks, write true, false, match the following, you have to do in your exercise book, and answer the following questions. Exercise number D, you have to do in your notebook. You have to write very neatly and carefully. Okay, so let's start. First question is, what is history? And the answer will be, history is a record of the past event in a sequential order. Okay, whatever history, it should be in a proper series. See question number 2. Why do we need to study history? What is the need to study history? Why we study history? And answer will be, we need to study history so that we learn from our past mistakes. Question number 3. Why is history divided into periods? What are the reasons to divide history into periods? And the answer will be, history is very vast. Thus, it is divided into 3 periods so that it is easy to study. Question number 4. Who are historians? And answer will be, people who study history are called historians. Okay. Those who study history, they are known as historians. Question number 5. Who are archaeologists? Who are known as archaeologists? Answer will be people who study old objects, buildings and coins are called archaeologists. Okay? Now you have to note down it very carefully without any spelling mistake. Match it once after writing and learning. Thank you.